Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm back with another makeup haul. It's been a while since the last one, obviously, and actually I did film a makeup haul for last week's stuff, but then I never uploaded it and went to Marshall's yesterday, so yeah, I had to do the whole thing over. So here's my sort of updated makeup haul that I didn't expect I was gonna do, because obviously I just slacked on uploading videos and all that. But anyways, let's get right into the haul, along with some stuff that I was gonna feature in the makeup haul but never did because I forgot to upload. So I'm gonna start off with the stuff that I got at Marshall's a few weeks ago, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got at Marshall's yesterday, because I went to Marshall's yesterday. And the first thing that I already have out right now, it's in my hand, and I'm also wearing it on my lips today. It's this Lorac Alter Ego Golden Era lip set. It's from the in collaboration with fashion designer Rachel Zoe, and in it came with one of their Alter Ego lip liner, well, just like a one each, a lip liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss. Here's what they all look like, and of course what they look like on the lips. And on all the lids, it has these pretty black and white designs, and here on the lid for the lipstick it says Rachel Zoe X Lorac. And it also says the same thing for on the lip gloss, for right here, and on the lip liner as well. And since I already opened it and now I'm wearing it on my lips, here's all what they look like in terms of me swatching on the back of my hand. Right here, this what the swatch for the lip liner looks like, and here's the lipstick and the lip gloss. Another product I got also at Marshall's again, and it's another Lorac product. It's their Unzipped Unfiltered palette. I already have another Unzipped palette like this, and I think it's Elegance. Yeah, I think it's Elegance. There's also another one I seen on the internet and also at Kohl's, but I just haven't got a chance to get it yet. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, this is what the unfiltered version of their Lorac Unzipped, I guess, collection looks like. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging and all that. It's really nice rose gold. And whoop. Here's what all the shades looks like. I'm really excited to use this shimmery pink one right here because I love pink. And also, just like with the Elegance palette, it came with an eyeshadow brush. Another item I found at Marshall's is this has been my favorite liquid eyeliner so far, because I just love the I've been loving micro fine or any fine tip liquid liners recently because of this. It's from Eyesmade New York. It's a 24-hour liquid eyeliner, and it's waterproof, and it's of course in the shade black. And I've been finding this just like I said, the micro, any fine tips on most liquid liners, like this one's a micro fine tip, and I've been finding this really easy for me as of lately to do liquid cat eye wings, because I've done some really bad ones in the past. Some of them, the way I did it, some of them almost went almost all the way to the end of my eyebrow, right here. So yeah, this has been really easy for me lately to create a little small or somewhat a big cat eye wings, but not too big. Obviously not like the ones I did in the past where it got all the way past my eyebrow. Another eyeshadow palette that I found at Marshall's. Found another Pretty Vulgar palette. This is the early bird one. And inside, there's like more of like softer looking colors. I see like a little, there's like pinks and purples and some light browns and neutral browns. This one I feel like could like work if you're going for like a softer, natural, girly girl like look. I have the Nightingale version of this palette that I'm hopefully planning on using this for my Nancy Downs from the craft tutorial. It's just, I don't know. Like, every time I try to pull my hair back because I want to style it in the way I wanted to style it, where I feel like she had like a couple of strands like this, but every time I did that, it just ended up turning a little, like I would have this big chunk of hair in my face. But like, I don't know. I think I might do it one day because I thought I saw one side where I had like a little bit of piece of hair in my face, kind of like big but not too big. So I don't know. Maybe I will do Nancy Downs look one day, especially with Halloween coming up. I just need some kind of like eyebrow pencil that suits for black hair, which I think I might have, but I don't know. Maybe I want to try out the soft black eyebrow pencil from Revlon, so we'll see. Okay, last thing I got at Marshall's was I was really happy to see this at Marshall's. I was kind of screaming in my head. Look at this! It's the Miss Picky collection from a brand called Siat London. I hope I'm saying that right. And it's their cream face palette, even though it's like, it looks more like a blush palette to me. So yeah, this again from their Miss Piggy collection, which again I was screaming in my head because loved the Muppets growing up and all that, and I haven't seen this on the internet and all that, and I couldn't just get it anyways because it was on Sephora's website, at least it was kind of expensive. It was like $22 something. Kind of expensive for me because I don't normally like pay that much for makeup and all that. But I found this only for $9.99. And the shades that it came with were, well, actually the shade names are Flaunted, Fabulous, Okermi, and Diva. That's what it looks like out of the packaging. And if I can get this open, here are all the shades, and it also has a little big mirror right here. And in terms of like which one's which, I believe this should be Fabulous, and this should be Flaunted, Okermi right here, and Diva. First I didn't know which one was which, especially from the packaging, but then I read some article when I believe around the time when the collection came out, it did describe which was which in terms of color, so that's helpful. Okay, next place I went to was Target. I don't know why I forgot for a moment. Anyways, I got more of my favorite BB cream from Maybelline. It's the BB Pure BB cream meant for acne prone skin because again I have acne, and it's in only lightest shade that they have. And I think I don't know, I did talk about this in one of my makeup hauls. I did pull an influencer. Not sure which BB cream to get from Maybelline because there's also a pink packaging as well, and most people voted for the blue packaging because this is suited for my acne prone skin. So I've just been grabbing for this more often. Boop. I also got a couple e.l.f. products. The first, I don't know if it's the first one I picked up or anything like that, but the one I have in my hand right now. It's the final e.l.f. skincare product to complete my all cruelty-free skincare routine. That's facial oil. This is the one I got, and pretty much the only facial oil I was thinking of getting. It's they're all the feels of facial oil. It has like hemp-derived cannabis stevia seed oil. This is what it looks like. Well, in terms of what's inside the like a whole like the box and everything like that. But if you see this, like when you like open it and all that, and on the inside it's from what I can tell, like somewhat clear like a packaging, and it's the oil is kind of like yellowy looking color. You should see this online. And I got my another one of my favorite putty primers. It's not the poreless one, but it's the matte putty primer, which I've been loving to use on like around my cheek area, like upper cheeks, nose, and chin and forehead a little bit, because around the summertime, especially during my girl business, I've been like, I have noticed that I had a little bit of like, notice my face has felt a little oily, and I didn't understand why. And that's when I realized it's probably my little girl business, and also I guess being outside in the hot, humid weather during the summer times. So yeah, this has been a lifesaver. Now, so we're starting right now with the CeraVe moisturizer, and I still have not finished up my CeraVe cleanser, so I got more CeraVe moisturizer, and it's in the full size because they did not have any of the smaller size packaging, so I had to go with the full version. I also went up to Kohl's, and they didn't have a whole lot. Kohl's, especially in the clearance section, and almost like a couple of the makeup products that were kind of moved. Like, they were still in the same area. It was just moved to a different side and all that, mostly for e.l.f. Like, NYX was in the same spot, but e.l.f. was kind of moved a little on the other side of the makeup section. But anyways, I only went to the clearance section. And I only picked up two of their Alter Ego matte lipsticks. And I got in shades, whoa, Duchess and Secret Agent, which are the same shades that I got in the lip gloss form that I got from Christmas a few years back from my uncle. It came with it was a 6-pack set of lip glosses. And I just noticed I did not show you some of my other Marshall stuff that I was going to show you when I was doing my first Marshall stuff, but now I'm going to do it. And I mostly got a lot of lip stuff, and they were all mostly from MAC. That's the wrong one. So the MAC shades that I got, they were all from the matte lipstick collection. And I got the classic Russian red lipstick. And another one I picked out was Mare. I don't think you guys can see that name. Hold on. Yeah, you guys can't even see it. It's too blurry. And the last shade I got was Chili. And I was not sure if I wanted to get this because I know another short hair character that I want to do that was a redhead that I kind of currently sort of am, even though it's kind of starting to become more of a platinum / auburn highlighted color than what you guys are seeing on camera. So I think I might have to dye into this soon one day. I'm thinking of dark brown, or if I can get a eyebrow pencil that's meant for black hairs, then I might dye my hair black and do Nancy Downs. But anyways. Oh yeah. I got another Alter Ego lipstick, just like the ones from Kohl's, but this is a satin finish. This is in shade Canyon Climber. And it's kind of like a nude like color from what I can tell from the packaging. You nudish gray color. I don't know. And finally, found this other lip product. Like I said, I got a lot of lip stuff, and this is the first time I ever tried Buxom. I've never tried any Buxom lip products. Like, I've seen like their plumping lip glosses and all that. Just never tried it because they were kind of expensive. I have seen this at Ross before, but it's not the shade I wanted to get. And it's their Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick, and I got the shade Get Lucky. And there's other shades like this from the collection. Maybe I get that after I try this out. And I don't know if this is supposed to like plump up your lips a little bit, like their plumping lip glosses. So I'm a little bit scared of trying this out because I've never tried lip plumping glosses. I always find, oh, this is gonna hurt, or is it not? I always find it's gonna probably feel like, from what I heard, some kind of stinging like pain, like, I don't know, above a 5 pain level. But from what I heard, the pain level for lip plumping glosses are like a, I don't know, 2 or 3 maybe. So I don't know. Guess we'll see how this does. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little makeup haul. Honestly, I'm really excited to try some of these out, especially the Miss Piggy Science London Miss Piggy blush palette. And also let me know in the comments if you want to see a Miss Piggy makeup tutorial. I definitely want to do a Miss Piggy look one day using this blush palette. And also let me know in the comments if you want to see a Nancy Downs look as well, especially around maybe Halloween time, because not only around Halloween because of Halloween time, and also because I keep on getting requests to do more 90s looks, and the craft was definitely out in the 90s. So if you want to see more like 90s looks, or even a Nancy Downs look, let me know in the comments. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.